starts now.
We are ending the work week with a stormy weather. Earlier this evening, the Magic City was bombarded with heavy rain, causing a slight delay for the Birmingham Barons game.
Some parts of Etowah County reported wind and rain damage. As you can see, several homes in Gadsden destroyed by falling trees, and crews have been out for hours trying to clean up debris. Thankfully, no one was hurt. A stormy end to the work week, as you mentioned, Sherry, but we're hoping for clear skies this weekend.
Chief Meteorologist Jason Simpson joining us now, and it was really all across the state today where you were watching storms.
Yeah, it started to the northwest, rolled through Coleman County first. Rock the South was delayed for a long time because of it, and then as the storms moved out, we had this incredible lightning show over Shelby County from David Graves. But look at this from Gadsden earlier. This is from just across the street from the East Gadsden Baptist Church Student Center. Emily Osborne Amberson trying to do the right thing and stay in her car and get in a safe spot. But then part of the roof started to fly off, and here it is in slow motion. You can see all the debris around. And then as the strong winds are coming in, tearing pieces of the roof off, just tossing it right at her car. Scary situation, but it's always better to stay in the car in that situation than to try to get out once things are already flying around. On WVTM 13 Live Doppler radar, we are clear and dry at the moment, but new thunderstorms are already getting set to develop over parts of Mississippi and West Alabama later on this evening. We already have a few showers up in the Tennessee Valley. So through Saturday morning, this is the zone where storms are most likely. We'll show you when we finally start to dry out coming up in the 7-day forecast. Sherry?
North Alabama, heavy rain led to flooding in some neighborhoods. In Madison County, several homeowners were dealing with all of that flooding. One family says this isn't the first time for them that their home was damaged from bad weather.
We're going to have to rip out all the floors, probably about 2 feet of the wall, and just kind of go as we go. The last storm took out our AC unit, so it's been like a really bad week. And we don't know what we're going to do right now, but it's just one step at a time, I guess.
Be sure that you get your 3-minute advantage by downloading the WVTM 13 app in the App Store or on Google.